Hi, it's Geoff Grace with GraceHomes.com at Remax Hallmark here in Toronto, and today I'm standing in a beautiful home in the Hunt Club at 6A Queensbury Avenue. This house was built from the ground up 6 years ago and features an open concept main floor with 10-foot ceilings and tons of living space. The sliding doors open up to a pool-sized backyard as the home sits on a 179-foot deep lot. As you go upstairs, there's 4 great-sized bedrooms with a master ensuite and a walkout deck. The house is flooded with light through the skylights that transition down through the glass railings all the way to the lower level, which is completely finished with a guest bedroom, a great rec room, and a walkout to the backyard. If you enjoyed that beautiful tour, give us a call at 416-699-9295 or go to gracehomes.com to set up your private viewing in person. Thanks a lot and have a great day.